Good morning, folks. It is a beautiful morning. It's a little bit chilly, but I'm gonna get it done this morning. I got my kayak out, as you can see, for the second day of pike fishing. It's a little bit warmer today. Water is a little bit dirtier though, so I'm gonna huck around a little bait, a little chatterbait, and try some different stuff. But let's get into it. Let's get some fishing done. I'm so freaking excited. Let's go. Alright folks, we're on the water, starting off with a little chartreuse and white chatterbait. Just going to try to get things going this morning. Water's definitely murky, so that's the situation with that. I'm just going to kind of cast around and see what's going on. Water's up a little bit. You guys saw the last video where I was here. Well, not the last video, but the video where I was fishing here. Caught a couple pike. So yeah, we'll see how she rolls this morning. This little cove looks freaking juicy. See if we can get a fatty out of here. There we go. I knew this cove would have fish in it. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. Just grab that. Oh, it's smaller than I thought. That's smaller than I thought. But I even said it, this cove looks juicy. Got him on the old chartreuse and white chatterbait, baby. There ain't nothing better. 24 and a half inch fat pike. Check him out. Yes, baby, yes. That is exactly what we were looking for. I literally said it, this cove was going to be good. Let's keep casting. See, one of the reasons is I knew this cove was going to be good is because it's in a nice sunny area. It's not windy. It's warm. It's going to warm up fastest. This end, shallower end. I literally said, this cove looks juicy. Guess what? It was. It frickin' was, ladies and gentlemen. Little pre-spawn action. You know, the frickin' deal. Alright y'all, I am going to make a move up river. This area is obviously getting hammered pretty hard and it does not seem that productive, so I'm actually just going to troll out of here. Just going to throw my bait behind me, like so, and I'm just going to paddle upstream, so let's go. Did you lose her? I was wondering, I'm like,
you mind grabbing it?
I'll get out there as soon as I can and grab her. I was like,
First time putting that one in.
well, at least she didn't,
She floated.
yeah?
How'd you like the hook?
I love it.
Yeah. Stand up in it?
Oh yeah, easy. I haven't, but I plan to. I've only had it for a little while, but I do plan on doing some duck hunting out of it. I mean, oh yeah. Yeah, I'm rigging one up for this eventually. Dang.
Can you imagine
That would be.
300 pounds?
I have the one that I use that I occasionally put on this is a 35 pound, and even that's a little bit like you turn it up high and it's like, whoa, okay. You're good. It kept you from taking a little swim.
I know, right? Like if you're not here.
I maybe cast at it, I'm not sure.
I would have swum out.
I definitely would have swum after this thing. But...
Oh, yeah. I like it. Is it
Yeah. It is pretty heavy. I don't know how much that one weighs. This thing weighs, I think, 130 some. It's not light.
But they are what they do what they do.
Yep.
Sure. So this crap right here?
You ever tried standing out of that thing, or not even tried it yet?
First time I put it in the water.
Huh.
I just got it.
Well, hell of an eventful way to put it in the water for the first time.
And that's the first time I've ever done that, period. So.
I heard that. I'm like, that's an inventive way of launching it. I wouldn't have thought of doing that.
As you can see, I don't trust it on that ramp.
Yeah.
It's on the ramp. But if I put the big motor on it,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, you too. Yeah, no problem. Well, that was pretty entertaining. I basically pulled up, I was unloading, and the guy like backed down and actually dumped his kayak in the river, so good thing I was there, saved him from having to take a swim. But I am at a new spot. I'm gonna head upriver a piece, find a little cove and crack it there and see what happens. I'm gonna try to get some more fish this morning, but yeah, it's been a slow morning so far, but we'll see what happens. Well, before we do that, we got a couple baits to collect. I already pulled someone's jig out of a tree this morning, and right here we got a nice little KVD crankbait, brand new, wire leader and everything. Awesome. Let's try not to lose my freaking GoPro up front. Yeah, that'd be a hell of a trade. GoPro for a KVD 1.5. I'll take that any day. Brand freaking new, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Pick up your freaking lures, people. Pick up your lures. We also have an X-Wrap hanging in the tree that we're going to go get. So that's lure number 1, KVD 1.5. Just turned my channel into a lure hunting channel. Hi guys, jigging with Jordan here again. I'm kidding. I'm joking. I'm joking. Even though, if you want to see that, comment below. Lure hunting video. I'll make that for you. Let's get that X-Wrap. Make some money this morning. There's also a chatterbait, but I don't think we can get that. Get my knife on the ready in case we gotta cut it real quick. We also are going downriver, so we'll find out. Oh. Come on, line. Come to Papa. Oh, we got it. We got the branch. I'd hate to see a bird end up in this, you know. That'd be, oh, right in the nose. Oh, you gotta love it. Where is that chatterbait though? We might be able to get that, but X-Wrap, nice. X-Wraps are good for pike. Well, welcome back to the lure hunting channel, where we don't fish anymore when there's lures to be found. What kind of crankbait we got there? I don't know, but let's find out. Jeez. Let's not frickin' die. I don't know what that is. That's a KBD something. This chatterbait might be hard to get. Use my push pole like a paddle. Oh, that worked out perfectly. Like, no joke. I was like, I'll just grab it and hook it. And now we got all this line. See, if I was a bad person, which granted I could be, but because you guys don't actually know, maybe I'm the worst person in the world, I would just throw all that back in. But you know what? We're gonna be good and just throw the biodegradable wood back in and keep all the frickin' fluorocarbon. Also, I think I'm here to go fishing, so I should probably start paddling upstream. So, stick with it, stay tuned, we're about to go fishing. For reals this time. Not for fishing reels, even though that would be hella fun if you could go fishing for fishing reels. I could use a new jerkbait reel. Well, y'all, this has turned into quite the little adventure. Yeah, I couldn't get past the big fallen trees up here, so I'm just gonna portage around. Really wish I would have brought my wheels now, but oh well, we didn't. Cool, very cool lake back here. We're gonna hit, see what that does. So let's get this big kayak. This is when the weight of the Hobie is against me. You know, if it was a little 70-pounder, it'd be easy, but it weighs 130 pounds. So time to beast mode it up and get this thing going. Here we go, boys. Ugh. There she is, the big old girl. Well, honestly, that was like way easier than I thought it was going to be, moving that. But I'm just gonna eat a little bit of lunch because it's a little past noon and I'm kind of hungry. I want to do that before I start fishing, but I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna start fishing, see what we can catch back here. So stay tuned. Get my boots all freaking muddy. Here we go. Time to go fishing, ladies and gentlemen. Really? Freaking yeet. Figure we're still probably just gonna rock the old chatterbait game. Throw it around, see what we have here in this gorgeous little hole. Maybe it's complete buns. Maybe it's the freaking juice. I don't know. Do you think a beaver dam would stop pike? I don't know. It's gorgeous though. The watercolor is really weird. It's like super blue. What, water's blue? Yeah, I know. I'm a genius, but it's like more. It's a weird blue. That's, yeah. The water's a weird bluish green. Doesn't that apparently? I thought I heard someone on the internet say you need to be using a chartreuse crankbait. I think I found one of those. So maybe we're in business. Maybe I should be throwing a chartreuse crankbait. I don't know. All I know is I'm having fun. That's all that really matters at the end of the day. Is if you're having fun, that's what fishing is about. Not about catching fish at all. It's about having fun. Oh, yep, definitely got hit. Oh, had one chase it. So that's good news. At least you know there's fish in here because I had a hit and a follow. So it was small though, very small. Another very small one. Oh, there we go, just got bumped. Jeez. That was funny. Little guy. Little cutie guy. At least we know they're in here. Well, remember when I said I hope the spot isn't complete buns? Maybe it's complete buns? Well, it was for a minute. I mean, I saw a couple pike, had a couple follows, had a couple hits, had one jump out of the water. That was pretty cool. But I think it might be a little cold yet. I'm assuming this just iced off, so definitely gonna come back because I think this spot, it looks amazing, weeds and all that for some pre-spawn, post-spawn action. So we'll definitely come back here. But for now, I think I'm gonna head downriver actually a little bit, try a couple spots down there. But not the best day so far. But it's actually been kind of crazy though. A lot of weird things have happened. But it's been fun. I guess gotta haul this thing through the friggin' woods again. Do it. All right, folks, made the little the paddle upstream, found another little creek or a little bay on this river. We're gonna see what we can catch. I'm not gonna lie, my legs are freaking burning from that. Well, I think that'll wrap it up for right now. Did some experimenting, honestly. I think a lot of those spots that I went to today are going to be good later on. So good info. As I always say on a bad or a not a great day of fishing, hey, it was good data. It was good data. So good data, good info. I know some things now. I can definitely come back. So definitely look forward to that upcoming stuff. Oh, and thanks to all those people. I have a floorboard full of free lures, so yes, sir. All right, I think I will crack out of here. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.